What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new shampoo review. And today we're having a look at the Fig Barbary Musk Shampoo from No Gunk. So we've looked at a couple of the No Gunk products before. We've checked out their Styling Funk as well as their Matte Lava Clay Styler, and this Fig Barbary shampoo is, I believe, the latest addition to their line. As far as packaging and pricing, this comes in this 10 ounce or 300 milliliter black plastic shampoo bottle with a silver pop top on there, and this comes in at £12.99, which is just shy of $16 US. And as far as the labeling on there, I do like this the best of their labels of their other products that I've looked at. You know, I mentioned before that I didn't really care for the color schemes, but this one, you know, it's black and dark red. Kind of matches quite nicely with my new autumn hair. Yes. But yeah, I like this color scheme the best. I like their, like the kind of goat wearing the tuxedo. I don't know, I think that's a neat logo. Now on the front of the label there, we do have, says 95% natural, no SLS, no parabens, and it's for all hair types. So this is just a shampoo, but it is advertised as also being conditioning, and in the directions, it doesn't mention following it up with a conditioner, so this is, I guess you could call this like a 2-in-1 option. And to be quite honest, I'm always a bit skeptical of 2-in-1s. That's just, you know, it's just the way that I'm like programmed now, that I'm like into really taking care of my hair. So 2-in-1s for me in the past, generally speaking, and most of those have been like super cheap Walmart garbage. They just don't work that well. They either clean but don't condition, or vice versa, or whatever. So I was interested to see how this would work out. So before we get into the demo, we'll go very quickly through the ingredients here. It is a pretty large ingredient list, as most shampoos and conditioners are, so we'll just kind of highlight a few of the key ones. So this is sulfate-free, as it says on the front of the thing. It's also paraben-free, and some of the main ingredients that they have in here are the Fig Barbary oil, which is for nourishing the hair and scalp. We've got argan oil. We all know what argan oil is. It strengthens and conditions the hair. And they also have some aloe vera juice for soothing and repairing. Now, my favorite category, scent. Yeah, it reminds me of the scent on their Styling Funk. It's not bad. It's quite a natural smell, and I think it is slightly too much of a floral scent for me, but it's certainly not bad. I don't hate it or anything, but it's also not my favorite scent. Does it fuck me up? Not quite. But that's okay. It's not like super pungent or anything, so it's not like it really sticks around for all day or anything like that. Alright, so now we're going to get into the demo, and before we do that, I am going to say in the directions here, it says, for best results, apply a small amount to wet hair, massage gently from root to tip, leave for 3 minutes and rinse, repeat for oily hair. Finish the look with No Gunk hairstyling products. So the whole leaving it in for 3 minutes thing is obviously for the conditioning factor, so let's take a look at how it actually works. So we're starting out here with hair that is full of product, and it's pretty fucking gross looking, to be honest. So here we go, into the shower, wet hair, and now we're going in with a generous amount of the Fig Barbary Musk shampoo. And I will say, you know, for a sulfate-free shampoo, this lathers so nicely. I always really appreciate when a sulfate-free shampoo can really develop a nice, like, creamy, rich lather, and this does just that. Then we're leaving it in for 3 minutes as directed, rinsing it out, and blow-drying that bitch, and look at these results. Bitch, look at that shine. I mean, to be honest, like, I wasn't expecting it to be as conditioning as it is. I mean, it's, you know, because it cleans very well. There's no product left in my hair. It feels super clean, but it also feels really hydrated and silky, and look at that nice natural shine to it. And that was just with one round. I didn't have to go in with a second round or anything, even though my hair was pretty full of products beforehand. So yeah, I would say this did a pretty bitchin' job as a 2-in-1. Alright, so overall thoughts on the Fig Barbary Musk shampoo from No Gunk. I quite like this, man. I was really, really pleasantly surprised by how well it performed as both a cleanser and a conditioner. You know, I expected it to be more drying than it was. I expected it to really just be a shampoo and that I would have to go in with, you know, some whatever other conditioner I felt like using, but you really don't have to. Like, just leave it in for a few minutes as they suggest, And yeah, it works great. It cleans everything out, but it doesn't like over clean, you know, so your hair doesn't feel too squeaky clean or anything. And those like the argan oil and aloe vera and stuff in there, and the fig barberry oil, of course. Yeah, they really do condition and hydrate the hair nicely. It's just left feeling bouncy and light, and yeah, just really pleasantly surprised. I think they did a fucking great job on this. Certainly one of the best 2-in-1 type of solutions that I've ever used. I mean, that's for sure. And I mean, and that's a cheap price tag. I mean, like 16 bucks for a 10-ounce bottle. You know, normally like salon quality shampoos will run you about $25 for an 8-ounce bottle. So I think that this price is pretty damn good. You know, I'm not a massive fan of the scent, but as I mentioned, you know, I'm going to go in with a styling product afterward that's going to have some other scent that'll just knock it out. So who cares? It's fine. But yeah, so No Gunk, I think they did a great job on this. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a kind of 2-in-1 option, or if you want to try something like that. I definitely think it's worth a look. So that wraps things up for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. I've got so much more content coming. I'm starting to catch up finally, but we've got lots more on the way. So if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching. And we'll see you at the next one.